So today I'm going to tear into the stairwell area a little bit. Had some buckled tiles, and I found the retractable stairwell cover. Looking into that a little bit, found there's a little storage area in here. So I guess I got to tear all this stuff apart at some point, so I guess I might as well start now. Alright, got the wood off, popped up a couple tiles. Keep on plugging away here. The screw mechanism has come detached, so I'm not real sure what's up with that, but motor works. Alright, stairs are kind of messed up, or this stairwell cover's kind of messed up. I think I can fix it. Stairwell cover bracket that's supposed to run that cover out to cover the stairwell when you close the door on the passenger side, so it's pretty bent up, but shouldn't be a problem to straighten that out and fix that back up. So, looks like we can bend it back up here. So here's this plastic nut that the stairwell bracket is supposed to engage with. Kind of wraps around it, and there's some pins that engage this plastic nut, but the nut is all cracked out, so the pinholes are basically destroyed. There you can kind of see one of them right there. And so that's why this stairwell doesn't travel out, because the bracket was broken from this nut. The motor and the shaft works, so all I got to do is tear it out of here. Looks like there's a couple screws here, a couple screws over there, and I think this whole assembly will come out. And I got to disassemble the shaft, probably from this locking collar here, this clamp collar. Get the thing apart and figure out what Acme thread that, or if it even is an Acme thread that the screw is, and just simply order another nut, probably from McMaster-Carr or something, and drill some holes in it and mount the bracket back up. And of course I'll need to rebuild this this wood platform. Maybe not, but it's kind of beat up, and lube everything up and it'll get carpeted and it has a front flap. But anyways, that's what's happening with the stairwell cover. So done messing with the stairwell for today. I think we got it figured out what all's wrong with it and how to fix it. And so next video we're going to be going, hopefully get some shots of this zone down in Kentucky, the salvage RV place down there. We're going to pick up our front cap and some various other parts we ordered, and so we'll get some video of that. And I guess that's it for today. Be sure to click like and subscribe if you want to see more of this motorhome rebuild project. See ya.